This one could just go on the floor. Right? That's my what are those called?
Makeup applicator?
Makeup applicators.
Tweezers?
Tweezers. I need to buy like a organizer for all this stuff. Cause I gotta keep it at home.
Whoa, face,
Yeah.
you can give me
This?
facials, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Massage cream?
Massage cream. Yeah. So what they look like? These are all palettes.
Oh, nice. That's a blush one?
Yeah. Blush, yeah.
Blush goes on your cheeks.
Oh, it does?
Oh, nice colors. Those are bright.
What are these for, Vivid? Oh, okay.
Eyeshadow is up here. Blush is right here, look. And eyeshadow's up here. Very nice.
Forever Summer palette.
That's the same thing as eyeshadow. It's up here.
Okay.
That's pretty.
This thing?
Cover correction under eye concealer. Nice. Fancy.
I didn't even eat today at all. Either. Okay.
That is glitter pigment. So it's like glitter for your face. Translucent powder for your face. So it takes away the... Okay, nice. That's a highlighter and bronzer to highlight your face.
Oh, how do you know all this stuff?
It's makeup. You'll learn it. They're gonna go over it with you, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a glitter powder. Nice.
Nice. You can actually see this one from the
gel
side.
eyeliner. Has brown and black.
This one?
That is canvas eye mousse. Every finish powder. It's like a powder to get the oils off your face.
You'll see these because they're not visible. And these, like, this I have to take to school, but that other stuff I can keep at home until we need it.
Oh, okay.
Makeup.
Brush cleaner. These are just 3 different eye pencils.
Oh, okay. I want to see what at least one looks like.
The mascara.
The teacher said she's been doing cosmetology for 40 years.
Wow.
Okay, yeah. So I'll show them that.
How about this one?
Oh, I forgot about that stuff.
Is it this?
I forgot about this.
Nice.
It's a big, huge palette. Yeah.
How about your brushes? I didn't put your brushes back in here.
what brushes?
Your makeup brushes.
Yeah, you did.
Where are they at?
Oh, a hill, but they're separate.
No, your brushes. Is it in here? Makeup brushes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, they're in here.
Oh, that was just stuff.
Okay, where does this go back in your backpack, right? Because you gotta take it back to school?
Yeah, I gotta take it back. I gotta take this back to school.
Okay, that's probably to learn how to do makeup. Nice.
It's a makeup mannequin. Teacher recommended to keep it in a bag.
Oh, okay.
Because it keeps
So it don't get dirty?
Why, what's that?
The mannequin
Can't play with it, baby. That's for his school.
Okay.
thing for the mannequins, to hold the mannequins on a table.
Cable clamp?
Yeah. Table clamp? Hairstyling cape
Oh, okay.
for me.
Nice.
Why is it all wet?
Wet? It sure is wet. Oh my god. Oh no.
Who wet right there?
I don't know.
Fancy books.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's just got the last couple pages a little bit wrinkled.
Yeah.
This looks like a notebook. Oh, okay. With your notes. Wow. Fancy smancy.
Cosmetology.
And that's
Pedicure, manicure, makeup, perms, consultations, consultation,
And this is my workbook for home, for like.
course book, student course book.
And I'll put all this stuff away. I do need this.
Chemical, hair cutting, tests.
Yeah, they started today.
They go right in it.
It's first day, yeah, started right now. He has a test on Friday.
Do you, Bobby?
Yep.
I think so. I think that's what she said.
Who's the author of the book?
Yeah.
Dave.
They're kind of scary looking. I had went in the room, right?
Uh-huh.
Not really thinking, and opened the door.
Brian's room?
No, in the salon.
Uh-huh.
And it startled me.
Uh-huh.
Because
And then go home.
Standing there?
Yeah, standing there looking at me.
Oh, wow.
So all my mannequins. Let me get it home.
Want me to open it?
Yeah, you could.
Jeez, how many mannequins did you get?
5. And this one must be the boy when Kyle. Name is Kyle.
Really?
Yeah. The name's on the bottom.
Plus, you have a few
Oh,
of
it
them,
is.
too, don't
Yeah. Kyle.
you? Is that Kyle?
Yeah.
He has hair on his eyebrows.
Oh, does he?
You guys must learn how to do eyebrows.
Okay.
Because men have hairy eyebrows.
Kate man.
Nail brush.
Acrylic.
Acrylics.
Because you can nip somebody. Baby okay?
She's just walking around.
Oh, those are nail forms. Those are
You put
hard.
your shoes on, baby. The
Oh.
rocks
They're
on
hard to
first.
run off of. Nail forms?
You can put
One
your
minute.
shoes on.
Nail and cuticle oil on the go.
Okay. They'll give you a new one if it runs out. That's what they said.
Those are full cover tips. They must be teaching you guys, are these full cover? Oh no, these are half cover. Those are your nail tips. Nail polish remover, pure acetone. Another acrylic. You probably have white, pink, and nude, and clear probably. That is cleaning solution. That's like my swipe.
Oh, okay. Oh, for the nails?
That's to clean all the dust and dehydrate it. That is cuticle softener.
Top
I
coat?
wonder what that is.
Top coat. Gotta be careful with those too, the glass. I don't know what that is.
That is monomer.
Monomer? Liquid coat.
That's by OPI. Let me see if I think it is. Odor and tack-free system. Yeah. It's OPI, the Clarity, whatever. It's an OPI brand. It's expensive. More nail files. Very good.
Now what are these ones for?
They'll teach you all that. Your acrylic brush. Nice.
And then a cuticle pusher.
Oh, it's by, okay. Acrylic nail brush. Okay, cuticle pusher. Nail clippers.
Another one.
That's probably base coat.
Base
Yep,
coat.
Base coat. And that one is Bondex. That's like the primer, like the little bottles of the
Young nails?
Young nails I get. That's their brand. Yeah. That's Dap and Dish.
Oh, those are the ones you have.
Yeah, that's a Dap and Dish.
These are all glass. That's why they have it in there.
That is professional nail glue.
So just glue. I wonder what that is. Okay, we got 3 more items in total.
That's just a buffer,
Waffle.
4-sided buffer. Curing resin, bond aid, pH agent, maximize adhesion. Oh, okay, maximize. It's like that.
Oh, okay.
Ouch. Okay.
And that's all the nail stuff.
Okay, I'll put that away for you. Just lay it all out like that.
Explain what it was.
It's a round brush.
Round brush. Detangling brush. Detangling brush. Push them this way.
Okay.
Wow, it's been 30 minutes already. Didn't seem like that long, did it?
Got a lot of stuff, right? Alligator clips. That's what those are called.
Metal control clips.
These are more alligator clips. Oh, you guys are gonna have some pin curls.
What are those?
Old fashioned. You get the hair and you twist it. That's how they used to do curls.
Old fashioned.
But yeah, you have to learn it. It's just part of it.
Does anybody do that anymore?
Some people do.
Pinfields? Okay.
Older people?
Uh-huh.
Collectors. Oh,
No.
what are they called?
Color brushes.
Color ball?
And color ball.
What's it in that one?
Oh, stuff.
I know.
I don't know what this is.
That is processing caps. It's for like perms and stuff.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Bubba. Okay.
Oh, the fancy looking
Yeah,
combs.
Bubba.
Pintail comb. Pintail combs?
Oh, these are razors. Ow.
Razors? Razors.
Razors?
Yeah, these are razors for the razor.
Oh. Shaving?
Yeah.
Do they teach a straight razor too?
Yeah.
Shaving like that? Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
They practice on balloons.
Oh, they practice on balloons?
Yeah. So he's probably not going to be doing a real person.
Oh,
And then
okay.
after school, he don't even have to do them.
Yeah.
Perm rods?
Comb rods.
Turn it the other way.
Comb rods. Shampoo cape and hairstyling cape.
Give you a lot of cakes. That's good.
Manicure bowl.
Spray bottle.
Balayage fold.
Ooh.
That's where you brush the hair onto it, right?
Uh-huh. That's a color ball. Spray bottle.
Spray bottle.
That's probably for like acetone or something. Oh no, that's for color.
Oh, color. Oh.
Like toners. Those are
Assorted
rollers.
rollers. And then now all the tools.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shears. Nice, bye-bye.
Mm-hmm. Okay, should be done soon.
Okay. And then back here is cleaning stuff. And combs too. More combs.
Oh.
So,
You used to have one like that.
Mm-hmm. Similar style. It's harder to use.
I know one of the students
But
says
it
it twists around.
Yeah. It's a flat iron.
I haven't seen what it looks like though. And the knees all work. I tested them in school. The blow dryer I haven't tested yet. And then this one must be the
Flat iron.
regular.
No. What is it? Curling iron? Flat iron. It's a diffuser.
Diffuser. Oh, that's the straight, and I don't know what that is.
It's the cone thing. Nice.
Fill it.
Jeez, that's nice, bye-bye. I'll trade you.
No, can't.
You see how handy it is? Oh yeah. Right.
I want to flip.
Nice. Wow, that's a good brand. That little one's called a peanut.
Well, peanut.
There you go.
Yeah.
Did it?
That's it.
Very
That's it.
good.